So folks, one of the companies I've been using products from is this company Ulanzi. I've been very impressed with a lot of the different products they offer for camera mounts and stuff. And you know, like with me, if you're doing a lot of content creation and filming and different things like that, it's a thing where some of these different mounts out there and stuff, they might work for kind of the average user. But I was kind of looking for something where more on a professional basis in terms of different mounts and stuff like that. That's going to hold up and last and really work over the long term. And this is one of the mounts that I use from Ulanzi. Been very happy with it. This is their multifunction super clamp mount with the GoPro fitting here. And the fitting here is actually quite simple. There's just a regular tripod screw right here. So you can mount, for instance, a cell phone type attachment to it, or anything that uses that standard kind of tripod screw will fit on that. So that's very convenient. And then I've also found with the clamping function, the nice thing is that it's got real rubberized grips here. So that's a big help. So you don't really have to worry about marring up the finish. Also, the metal, you know, kind of feels a bit solid, and all of the adjustments and stuff are very direct and solid as well. So it has worked real well. There's also a bit of adjustment in all that you can do in here, and then tighten it down with this clamp. So I have found these very effective. I'm going to roll in some action footage that I've used to do product reviews, and putting this clamp into use to kind of get that first person kind of perspective with some of these different things that I might film. So that's where it's really helped out at, where I've needed to clamp to something and basically hold the camera steady so I can do my thing and you know, basically do the filming that is needed to be done. So this has worked real well. So definitely check these out, folks, if you need a similar type solution. I have found these to be a very good solution for me, and we'll continue to use it for years to come. Oh, he's mad now.